Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to show you how to reset your Eero Extender quickly and easily. Whether you're troubleshooting a connection issue or just want to start fresh, this guide will walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Before we start, ensure your Eero Extender is properly connected to a power source and switched on. Check that the device is fully operational and ready for the reset process. Find the reset button on the bottom or rear of your Eero Extender. It's typically a small, recessed button, so you might need a pin or paperclip to press it properly. Using a paperclip or similar tool, firmly press and hold the reset button on your Eero Extender for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. This will initiate the reset process, indicated by flashing LED lights. You'll notice the LED light on the device will start flashing. Keep holding the button until the LED light starts blinking rapidly, then release the button. This indicates that the reset process has begun. After releasing the reset button, wait for the Eero Extender to restart. This can take a few minutes. The LED light will flash and then eventually stabilize to show that the device has been reset to factory settings. Now that your Eero Extender has been reset, you'll need to set it up again. Open the Eero app on your smartphone, and follow the prompts to add your extender back to your network. This usually involves selecting your Wi-Fi network and entering your password. If you encounter any issues during the reset or setup process, make sure your device is within range of your router and check that you're using the latest version of the Eero app. If you experience any problems or need further assistance, our expert team is available to help. Please reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support. And that's it. You've successfully reset and reconfigured your Eero Extender. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.